You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word meaning time. In Italian, how do you say time? It also means the tempo from music as well. Of course, in English it's used to designate the tempo, the pace or the rhythm of a music. Tempo. In Italian, rather similarly, it's pronounced as tempo. Tempo, il tempo. Tempo is how you say time in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.